computer, on your phone, or weather with the Weather Channel. Now you're local on the 8's.
A blizzard warning is in effect for our area. Currently, the temperature is 22 degrees under cloudy skies. Our local Doppler radar. For tonight, a wintry mix changing to all snow, windy, low 17. Winds north at 20 to 30 miles per hour. 1 to 3 inches of snow expected. Winds could occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. And on Tuesday, blizzard conditions, high 17. Winds north-northwest at 25 to 35 miles per hour. Snow accumulating 6 to 10 inches. Winds could occasionally gust over 50 miles per hour. And Tuesday night, windy, snow showers ending early, very cold, low 2. Chance of snow 30%. Our week ahead.